Tripura Northeastern Region, India. Independent glorious princely Tripura marched into Indian Union on 15 October 1949 with the trust commitment for our safeguard, peace and prosperity. But India has totally failed intentionally to keep its commitment. Vice President, the Tripura state government running by illegal immigrants people 70 years is using their security forces directly and indirectly for looting, grabbing land, burning natives' villages, raping and murdering natives people. The court has failed in delivering justice even to the single victims of these grave atrocities. In the recent incident of Tripura regarding Citizenship Bill Amendment, the security forces attack on peaceful student demonstration and also attack the statue of the King Empire Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya after an operation in the birds on the village on innocent people at Madhavpuri on 8 January 2019 this year. Which are bullet injured taken by ambulance, they are also attacked again by the security police. The indigenous people of Tripura, Arunachal, Manipur and entire Northeast don't have the rights of administration in our own homeland. Exploitative administration has reached to its peak and Tripura natives are on sparse extinction. Mr. President, Mr. Vice President, as the situation is worsening in the state, we urge the Council to set up commission of inquiry to assess status of Borok people and entire Northeast and help us to prevent from the extinction of natives. Thank you, Hambai.